Constant Part PSLE 2022 mathematics question. There were 9 red beads and some blue beads in the box. After some red beads were added, the fraction of blue beads was 2 over 5. Now immediately take note. Blue remain same. Okay, you didn't add any blue beads, take note of that. After 56 yellow beads were added, the fraction of blue beads became 2 over 9. Again, blue is the same, and in this particular fraction, the red is also the same because you didn't add in any red beads as well. So blue same, red also same now. What was the number of red beads added? Okay, so fraction, you can change it to ratio. It's much more easier to deal with ratio than fractions. Okay, so blue beads is 2 units out of a total of 5. So if you take 5 minus 2, you get 3. So we can write down a ratio of blue is to red, which is 2 is to 3. Okay, this is for this fraction here, fraction number 1. Now, second fraction, after 56 yellow beads were added, the fraction of blue beads was 2 out of 9. So again, blue is to red, now there's yellow also. Blue is now 2. Now, remember what we said earlier, that the blue is actually the same? 2 here, 2 here, fantastic. Red will also be the same because you didn't add any red beads in between these 2 fractions. You only add it from the start to this fraction. But between these 2 fractions, no red beads were added. So red should also be 3, and yellow will be out of a total of 9. 9 minus 2 minus 3, yellow will be 4. Okay, so 4 units is the same as that 56 yellow beads that you added. 1 unit is 56 divided by 4, which is going to be 14, which means you can actually find the number of red beads right now. So that's 3 units. 14 times 3, 42 red beads right now. So you started with 9 and you added some, right? So how many did you add? 42 right now minus 9. 42 right now minus 9, and you will get 33 new added red beads. Final answer for this question, 33.